Right now, do you have more intelligence, skills, experience, strengths, expertise, talents, education than income? If that's the case, you don't have to feel bad about those circumstances, but you may need to get some help to change those circumstances. I'm Christine Aller, that's me, and one of the things I've been doing throughout my 20 years of self-employment is helping big-hearted humans like you turn your skills and strengths into streams of income. I can help you learn how to create cash flow and then learn how to create even more cash flow. If you don't have an idea yet, join us. Your perfect biz idea might come from someone else's brain. Let us help you. Only want to start a little side business? Fabulous. Join us. All of this began with my little organizing side biz that I started to help me fund my acting career. Want to take your side biz into full-time? Join us. I made that transition too, and we can help you. Already have a biz going, but you want to make it more profitable? You definitely need to join us. I can help you boost your bottom line. Or if you've always been an employee and you're new to this entrepreneurship stuff, there's no better place for you to be than here with us. Because everything about this Creating Cash Flow program is designed to fully support you in applying this guidance at your own pace within your unique life and circumstances. This is not a one-size-fits-all intensive program that requires you to hunker down with a case of Red Bull for 3 months straight and crush it. No, that's not how we roll. You don't have to know everything there is to know about business in order to start generating your own source of income. In fact, you don't even need us, but we can certainly shorten your learning curve and make this next chapter of your personal and professional growth go a bit faster and be infused with a lot more fun. While you're here considering if you're ready to bet even bigger on yourself, let me leave you with 3 things that I know for sure. When a smart, capable, talented person like you starts to strengthen your business muscles, your bank balance begins to grow. And when you become someone who knows how to create cash, you become someone who feels stable even when the world doesn't. And you don't have to DIY your future all by yourself. We'd love to support and guide you along the way.